Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Study 6 to 8 hours daily with focused 50 to 90-minute blocks and 10 to 15-minute breaks. This pacing prevents burnout and builds endurance. Allocate 60% passive review and 40% active recall each study day, splitting time between reading, question practice, and flashcards. Use 40 to 80 new Anki cards daily and prioritize spaced repetition intervals to retain physiology facts long-term. End each day with a 30 to 45-minute mixed question block to consolidate retrieval and identify weak systems. Choose one primary physiology text and supplement with a high-yield review book to avoid redundant reading and keep concepts integrated. Watch concise 10 to 20-minute video modules for complex systems like renal and acid base to visualize gradients, transporters, and feedback loops. Practice 40 to 80 physiology questions weekly, focusing on explanation quality rather than speed to learn mechanism-based reasoning. Use diagrams, redraw sequences, and annotate pathways. Annotate actions of hormones, numbers like 120 mEq, and normal ranges so details use question blocks of 20 to 40 items with 25 to 30-minute timed practice sessions to simulate exam pressure and build stamina. Employ spaced repetition reviews at 1 day, 7 days, and 30 days for durable retention, and adjust intervals based on ease scores. This makes facts survive the review gap. Rationalize every answer by writing a 1 to 2 sentence mechanism for each question, linking physiology principles to clinical patterns and numerical values, so you convert rote facts into usable Step 1 reasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.